Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Axis Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Axis Bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in order to log into Axis Bank, first we'll be required to go to their homepage. So to do that, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address axisbank.com and hit on enter. And after that, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for this, and when we hover on that, this kind of drop down menu will appear, and you can see there is the login button available for us personal, NEO business, corporate, and NEO for corporates. I'll be just logging into the personal one, so let's click on the personal login. And from over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your ID of your Axis Bank account, and after that enter your password over here, of which you had registered on Axis Bank at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you have forgotten your customer ID or your password, you can always retrieve it to either forgot customer ID or forgot password. If you click on these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to either retrieve your customer ID or your password. And with that being said, guys, after entering these two, simply click on the login button available over here at the bottom of the screen where is my mouse is hovering over here, and then you'll be logged into your Axis Bank account online on your computer. And then, guys, this is how to log into your Axis Bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.